Today in this video, I'll demonstrate how to make 1 Bitcoin every 45 minutes in this video. But before we go further, let me explain a bit about Bitcoin and why it's so important to invest in it. There are currently more than 4,000 cryptocurrencies. Despite this, Bitcoin is still regarded as one of the most successful cryptocurrencies ever created due to its enormous market valuation, which is estimated to be worth over $1 trillion, as well as the sheer number of users. There are over 40 million Bitcoin users. Blockchain technology powers Bitcoin, a digital currency. Technology is one of Bitcoin's biggest advantages, making it stand out and more durable than other cryptocurrencies. Blockchain technology uses a shared digital record to authenticate and verify Bitcoin transactions. A distributed digital ledger that is available to all users on the Bitcoin network keeps track of users' public addresses and transaction history. Blockchain technology ensures transparency and security in Bitcoin transactions due to its irreversibility. The ledger is virtually impossible for users or outside parties to manipulate thanks to its decentralized network and data encryptions. Additionally, it limits who else on the network can access the data of users. Because of this, Bitcoin appears to be more reliable and effective than other cryptocurrencies or even traditional currencies. And the most important reasons why Bitcoin is both secure and popular are there are hardly any costs connected with utilizing it. You frequently pay significant fees when using different other online payment methods. You will get a far better deal from the extremely low costs that you have to deal with when using different cryptocurrencies. Using cryptocurrencies to pay for goods online makes sense for many individuals, and many people also think it is safe. And another important reason is that cryptocurrencies aren't connected to global governments. Individuals have faith in them. This implies that cryptocurrencies may be able to maintain their stability despite unrest in a particular nation. One reason why the value of cryptocurrencies has increased over time is that some investors view them as a smart way to secure their capital. Cryptocurrencies are more alluring because they may be safer than some official government currencies. And lastly, the Bitcoin factor driving consumers to engage with cryptocurrencies is the opportunity for financial gain. When Bitcoin's price climbs, if you purchase it now when it's still cheap, you might profit. Many people who made investments in cryptocurrencies before they were quite popular ended up profiting greatly. Since the market hasn't slowed down recently, investors are still profiting from cryptocurrencies. Now back to how you can make Bitcoin in 45 minutes. All you need is a phone and an internet connection, and the method is legitimate, completely user-friendly, and available everywhere. There are no prerequisites for using it, so you can live anywhere in the world. However, please watch the entire video carefully because if you don't, it might not work for you. Without further ado, let's move right into the first step to make sure you don't miss any crucial ones. The first step is to visit the website bitcoin.org, where you may see the home page after logging in. This discussion enables you to construct a wallet for your Bitcoin currency because, since Bitcoin is a virtual currency, we store it in wallets whenever we purchase Bitcoin. The best part of this website is that it's free and won't charge you a penny. You can also buy Bitcoin from this website, but we're not going to do that because it's better to get it for free. This wallet lets you create a wallet and offers other wallets as well depending on your certification. Simply click on Choose Your Wallet to be directed here, then click Next to be directed to this page, where you can answer the questions by your preferences to construct a wallet that meets your needs. Therefore, we must first decide on an operating system. If you're using a desktop, you have options like Linux, Mac, and Windows immediately below the selections. There are also pros and cons written as the environment enables users to have complete control over funds. Another one is that some desktop wallets offer hardware wallet support or can operate as full nodes. The cons are that it is difficult to utilize QR codes when making transactions and susceptible to Bitcoin stealing malware/spyware/viruses. And depending on whatever phone you're using, you may choose between utilizing iOS or Android. The pros and cons are mentioned for this too, like portable and convenient, ideal when making transactions face-to-face. Another pro is designed to use QR codes to make quick and seamless transactions. Now the cons, our app marketplace can delist/remove the wallet, making it difficult to receive future updates. Another con is damage or loss of devices can potentially lead to loss of funds. A hardware wallet can also be used, although we prefer not to because it is not very safe. You select your operating system, click the next button, and you will then be asked how much you know about Bitcoin. Since you are all unfamiliar with this idea, it is best to select New because it will greatly assist you. We want two-factor authentication so that someone else cannot easily log into our account. Everything else isn't necessary at this time, so we are just focusing on those two criteria for now. The next question is what criteria are important to you. For us, this means no fees, full control of our wallet, which means no third party can freeze or take away the funds, and transparency. Check all these boxes and click Next. So, when we click Electrum, a new website will open up where we can see all the information mentioned. So once your wallet is configured, we'll go on to step 2 and log into Bitcoin Live, another website. This website will enable us to receive 1 Bitcoin every 45 minutes. Additionally, there is an affiliate program over here, so if anyone joins through your link, you will receive 70% of each client's deposit. So let's go back to the website and verify the price. You have 3 choices in this pricing section: a daily crypto key, a weekly crypto key, and a monthly crypto key. Therefore, for my use, I prefer using the monthly crypto key because the cost is quite low compared to the benefits you will receive. Since our earnings will start at $1 to $3 BTC, where BTC stands for Bitcoin, choose one of these 3 pricing options because they are all reasonable. After selecting a plan, clicking Buy will take you to another page where you can complete the purchase and copy your payment information. Next, copy the link and paste it into your Electrum wallet so that any Bitcoin earned by this program will be sent to your wallet. This will ensure that you can easily withdraw your earnings. After that is completed, we can begin earning Bitcoin. When you purchase a plan, a new page will open, which I'll demonstrate in step 3. Clicking Start Mining in step 3 will cause it to begin mining Bitcoin for you, but it will take some time. Once it does, you will mine 1 to 3 Bitcoins per month or per day, depending on your plan. Once your Bitcoin has been mined, it will be transferred to your account, where you can pay it out via PayPal or directly to your bank account. Just in simple steps, you can now mine Bitcoin for free, and you can even make more with affiliate marketing. Sounds amazing, right? This method is completely beginner-free, and anyone without any prior skill can easily use it. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so you are updated every time we post a new video.